Sentry Mode on your Tesla Model 3 can turn off for three main reasons: battery drain, incorrect settings, or location exclusions. First, battery drain. Sentry Mode uses power, about 10 to 15 watts per hour on average. If your battery level drops below 20%, the system automatically deactivates Sentry Mode to prevent a complete battery drain that could leave your vehicle inoperable. Second, incorrect settings. Misconfigurations in your Tesla app or vehicle touchscreen can cause Sentry Mode to disable. Always verify that it's enabled in the controls menu under Safety Settings. Third, location exclusions. You can set up geofence zones in the app to disable Sentry Mode in safe areas. When you enter these zones, like your home garage, the mode will automatically turn off to save battery and avoid false alerts. Understanding these reasons can help you troubleshoot why Sentry Mode keeps turning off on your Tesla Model 3. To ensure Sentry Mode is enabled, start by navigating to the settings on your car's touchscreen. Go to Controls menu, then select Safety, and finally ensure Sentry Mode is toggled on. This is what the settings screen looks like on your Tesla Model 3 touchscreen, showing the controls and safety menus with Sentry Mode enabled. Additionally, open the Tesla mobile app and confirm that Sentry Mode is turned on in the vehicle's safety settings. Here's how it appears in the Tesla app, displaying the safety settings, including Sentry Mode and camera detection options. Remember that software updates may sometimes reset your settings, so it's a good practice to periodically verify that Sentry Mode is still enabled when you expect it to be. Location exclusions are geofenced zones where Sentry Mode is disabled. Review your saved locations in the Tesla app to ensure they are accurate and not overlapping unintentionally. Incorrectly set or overly broad exclusions can cause Sentry Mode to turn off prematurely. Use GPS data for precise exclusion boundaries to avoid unintended deactivations. Keeping your Tesla Model 3 software up to date is crucial for Sentry Mode performance. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air updates that specifically improve Sentry Mode's battery management algorithms and overall reliability, addressing issues that could cause it to turn off unexpectedly. A key addition is the Sentry Mode Health Check tool, introduced in the 2025.12 update and later versions. This tool lets you monitor Sentry Mode's status and reset the feature remotely via the Tesla app, providing quick diagnostics without visiting a service center. By installing these updates, you benefit from bug fixes and power optimizations that can reduce Sentry Mode's battery consumption by up to 40%, ensuring more consistent operation and fewer interruptions. Cold temperatures can significantly impact battery performance and Sentry Mode in your Tesla Model 3. In freezing conditions, the vehicle uses extra energy to heat the battery, causing quicker drainage that may turn off Sentry Mode. The battery heating process for Sentry Mode consumes power rapidly in cold weather, with users reporting shutdowns below -10 degrees Celsius. This is why charging takes longer in extreme cold, as shown in this temperature chart. To maintain battery levels, use a wired charger and ensure the always connected setting is enabled in the Tesla app. This keeps the vehicle connected and helps prevent unexpected Sentry Mode shutdowns. Some users have also reported success by adjusting climate control settings to minimize battery drain while the vehicle is parked. This reduces unnecessary power consumption during Sentry Mode operation. Tesla is continuously improving Sentry Mode with AI enhancements. Future updates will use machine learning to differentiate between real threats like humans and harmless events like animals or wind, reducing unnecessary activations and battery consumption. Integration with Autopilot and Smart Summon will allow Sentry Mode to activate based on user routines, adapting to daily patterns for smarter security. Keep an eye out for ultra-low power modes and solar-assisted charging in future Tesla models, which could reduce Sentry Mode's power drain by up to 50%. By 2027, expect fully autonomous Sentry Mode with over-the-air AI training for better threat detection and adaptive battery thresholds. If Sentry Mode continues turning off despite all previous troubleshooting steps, consider performing a factory reset of your Tesla's settings as a last resort. This can clear underlying software glitches that cause unexpected deactivation. Be aware that a factory reset will erase all your personalized settings, so back up any important data beforehand, such as navigation favorites or driver profiles. To perform the reset, navigate to the Software Update section in your Tesla's touchscreen controls and select the Factory Reset option. This process may take several minutes to complete. If Sentry Mode problems continue even after a factory reset, contact Tesla service for professional assistance. They can perform deeper diagnostics and potential hardware checks.